While I openly admit that I have never removed a stump this way, we're going to try it today. Um, Hopefully it's not going to be too dangerous. I'm going to keep a very close eye on it. I don't want to get hurt. If my wife knew I was out here doing this, I'd probably be in trouble. But we're going to try this today. I can understand how it will work instead of trying to pull it straight out from somewhere. We're going to try to remove this stump by applying upward force as opposed to horizontal force. If you're trying to pull stumps out with a horizontal force, it disperses all of the weight and all the pressure around the whole area. I can see where if you're trying to raise the stump out vertically, that it pulls it straight up and the surface space is lessened. So we're going to give this a try. This is the second stump that we've removed in 2 days. I told you it would be gone in 1 day. It's gone. This is the one we're going to try this method. So stay with me. I'm going to keep videoing this and I'll just edit it out. Let's see if it works. I hope it does. I've never done it. Almost wish this was live. That way if I get hurt, you can call my wife or an ambulance. I didn't see that it budged at all, but we're going to keep working it just for a second and see what happens. Because I couldn't see that it budged it. This may not work. I want to try it because I've seen videos on it. And let's just see if it does work. First of all, it probably won't. The tire's going to keep twisting if I don't connect it to this bottom one. So let's do that. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I can't see where it has budged. But, man, there is a lot of tension under that chain. I almost wonder if I'd be better off trying to pull it that way. Because I think it's twisting. I can see where the roots have moved. I mean, this may work. I don't know. But it looks like the chains are moving this way. We'll keep working it because I think this is going to work. big negative. It is a ginormous negative. Facebook people, we're going to burn it out like we did this one. It'll be gone tomorrow. It did not work. The stump is just too big. It'd probably work for smaller ones, but not for this application. So you have a big stump like this, a 26 horse tractor will not take care of it. So unless I'm doing something wrong, you're more than welcome to leave comments. I'd like to know if there's a better way to do this, because this stump's not coming at it this way. All right, so what I ended up doing was, since I already had the roots exposed, I wasn't really in any danger of ruining my saw blade. So what I did, I cut the roots just like that, and it popped right out. So basically you have two methods. Both of them are successful. You actually need to expose the roots even if you burn it out, because what happens is it allows the roots to start burning at both ends once it burns in the middle. So they're totally removed. And then on this one, you need to expose the roots to begin with so that it's easier to pull out. I'm still going to burn a fire in this particular one I pulled out, just so I can burn the roots completely out. I want them gone just like the roots are gone there. So again, guys, this works too. I didn't find it too incredibly dangerous. You need to use a chain that is large enough to withstand that type of pressure, because I could see one breaking and probably coming up and knocking your teeth out or, or something like that. So you want to be careful. Stuff like this is dangerous. I mean, let's face it, I didn't have a guard of any kind if that chain was to break. But I wanted to try it. I've seen videos of it, and you never fail until you quit trying. So the moment you quit trying things is the moment you fail. So that's a word of wisdom from Hogs Are Great today. Have a good day. B was easier because once you have the roots exposed, you can actually cut through them with your chainsaw and not have to worry about hitting the dirt and running your saw and getting dirt up into the channel of your bar. I'm gonna go with B. It was really easy once I cut a couple of those roots, and man, it pulled it out, pulled the roots and all out pretty good. It left a couple of them, and I told you I was gonna burn them. I didn't burn them because here's the thing. I'm gonna be mowing this now. I'm not really worried about growth coming back through. What's left there is gonna rot. So go with B. Give it a try. A's fun though if you want to try to burn it out. If you like fire like I do, you're gonna enjoy it. But this is what was left. I hope you enjoyed this process, and again, that's what it is, the process. And remember, you're only a failure if you don't try. I kept trying. I'm not that failure. God bless you and have a great weekend.